Kitchen interior designs. Kitchens are one of the most important rooms in a home where people spend a considerable amount of time for cooking, eating, and entertaining. Therefore, the interior design of a kitchen should reflect the needs and preferences of its users while being functional and visual appealing. The interior design of a kitchen involves a careful selection of various elements and finishes such as cabinets, countertops, flooring, lighting fixtures, backsplashes, and appliances. It is important to select materials that are durable, easy to clean and maintain, and that complement the overall style of the room. Additionally, the kitchen's layout should be optimized for efficient workflow, taking into account the placement of appliances, storage spaces, and the traffic flow. A kitchen island can be used as a focal point in the room, providing additional counter space and storage, while also providing a place for casual dining and entertaining. Lighting is also a crucial aspect of kitchen interior design. Natural light can make a small kitchen feel larger. Finally, the color scheme of overall style of a kitchen should reflect the personal preferences of homeowner while harmonizing with the rest of home's decor.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion.
In summary, kitchen interior design is an essential aspect of creating a beautiful and functional space for cooking, dining, and entertaining. With careful considerations of various designs, elements, materials, and finishes, a kitchen can be transformed into a comfortable and inviting space that reflects the personality and lifestyle of its owner.